Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Very excited to be here today. We're going to do another DIY and today is going to be another mirror wall decor. And I'm going to show you the one we're going to be doing today, which I've already done one. So it is actually jade green, silver and black. So this is 18-inch board and I got a 12-inch mirror. So the only difference that I'm going to be using today, instead of these green beads, they're going to be red sunflower. And I will show you that in a second. It's going to be these, the red sunflower. So before we get started, please subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss another video. Like, comment. I love comments. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. You can ask me anything. And let's get started. So I took the liberty of painting this board white and I glued my 12-inch mirror, as you will see. And then what I'm going to do with this one is going to be the red beads. I'm going to put the red beads, but I'm not just going to put one row around the mirror. I'm going to do 2 rows around the mirror. This one's just a little bit different than the others. I have to say though, it is a very long process. It takes about a couple of hours because there's a lot of steps, there's a lot of beads, there's a lot of going around. So I just wanted to let you know that. So in the description that I will have for my items used today, is the sunflower. So I have red and I have silver, and I took the liberty of cutting them all in advance to save time. And then I have my marquise, long black marquise shape. I have my acrylic mirror beads that I bought online, which is wonderful. They have every color you can think of. And then you have your square. I have red square. It's like a burgundy color. And of course I have my red sunflower. And then I have my silver ones. I also have an oval shape, as you can see here. It's a black oval shape bead, and that's going to be going on there also. And I have little black beads here. They're very, very tiny. And I have smaller sunflower. These are silver ones. They're very, very small, as you can see. And then I have, that's going to be going around after these beads they're put on, these little triangle ones. So what I did is, it's this here. It's sort of like a silver black onyx wrap mesh, whatever you want to call it. So you can order this online, or you could buy it at Michael's. I bought this one at Michael's because I was in a hurry and really needed it fast. So so basically what I did is I made little small pieces, 4. So 4 here, 4 there, and 4 on the bottom. And then I took a little red bead, and I glued it on top. So I have quite several pieces of that. I think I got 21 or 22, something like that. So what we're going to do is, when we glue these 2 rows, I'm going to start with the silver sunflower. So what you're going to be doing is, I'm going to be doing 2 sunflower, and I'm going to be putting 1 of those, and I'm going to go around the mirror. So let's get started. So my first thing to do is going to put the beads. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the 2 rows. I'm going to do the 2 rows, and I will show you when I'm done. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, welcome back. So I put the 2 beads all around the mirror, as you can see. It's starting to look really, really nice. And my next step is going to be my silver sunflower. And then I have my little triangular shape with the red bead. So what I'm going to be doing, as I don't know if you can see this, but I'll do it here. I'm going to put the 2 silver sunflower, and then I'm going to put my little triangular shape. So I'm going to be doing this all around like this, and I'm going to glue them right next to each other all the way around. So once I start doing this, I will see you at the end of that, but I just wanted to mention that before I start doing any of my mirrors, I measure everything. I calculate, I do a lot of that, and just goes to show you I was never really, really good in math, but I've grown to kind of like it, I guess. Because everything is measured, of course, and you need, if you're going to sell your items, of course, you have to, it has to look good. It has to be, I would say, almost perfect. So, and of course, I'm going to be doing this full time, and I'm going to start selling them on Amazon very shortly. So, and of course, across Ontario also. So that'll be great. And so yeah, so everything is pre-measured, everything is calculated, and I measure all my beads, and I always do a demo before I do the original ones. So just to make sure that it does coincide with all the pieces. So I will start that, and I will see you at the end of this session. So hello, welcome back. So I finished the sunflower and the little diamond, as you can see all around. See that from close? See that all around? Came out very, very, very pretty. So my next step is going to be the marquise. I'm going to start with the marquise. Now, how I measured this, I'm putting the marquise just below the sunflower, because since there's 2 sunflowers, I decided to put the marquise there, right smack in the middle, and I do this all around. And then on the tip one here, I decided to put the square ones. So this is basically what it's going to look like. So I have the marquise and I have the red ones. I don't know if you can see that, but see, basically this is what I'm doing. It's going to be looking like this. So I'm going to be doing that all around. And I have to mention also, when I did this board, it's an 18-inch board and it's a 12-inch mirror. So all around here, from the mirror to there, you have about 3 inches. Just a little bit, just to say it's just a tad over 3 inches. So you got the 3 inches all around to play with, to put your beads and to do whatever you want. It's your choice how you want to decorate it. So I'm going to be doing, actually, I think actually I'm going to be doing the both of them. It'll go a lot faster, and I'm going to go all around, and I will see you when I'm done these beads. Oh, and by the way, I should also mention, I'm doing that just about in the middle of the board at the end, and where my sunflower are. I'm doing that right smack in the middle. And there's a reason for that, because we have other beads to put there at the edge. So I'm going to do that right in the middle, and I'll go all around, and I'll see you at the end. All right, welcome back. I have to apologize. I had made an error earlier. I guess I was thinking that I was doing a new video with a new design, and I had forgotten that I was doing the same as the jade green one. So my mistake was you do the marquise, the sunflower, the oval shape, and then you do the sort of just a little, I don't know what you call it, rectangle. It's a square, just a little bigger than the square, but this is basically what it looks like once it's all done. So I did that all around. See that? Starting to look kind of cute. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the my little acrylic mirrors, these little red, they're very, very elegant, I have to say. They're very, very, very cute. And I have several colors in these, which it makes a nice design actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue that, but I'm going to put it every second design. So basically it's going to go like here and here and here and here. So every second design I'm going to do the acrylic mirrors. And where I'm going to glue that is going to be right on the bottom, right at the edge of my mirror. It's going to be right at the edge. And I will see you when I'm done all around. All right, welcome back. So I put the acrylic mirrors all around, and as you see, all around the board. It's coming out really, 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 really nice. So we have only 2 more steps to do. Is I have these little black beads, and where I'm going to be putting those, it's either going to be right here at the bottom of the square one and the round ones. So I'll put a black here and a black here, and I'm going to put this all around. And then there's going to be a final step with the little sunflower silver ones, and we'll do that after. And then after that we'll be all done our decor. So I will do the black little beads like I had said. It's the square ones and the round ones. So every square and every round, I'm going to put it right at the edge of the mirror. And I will see you when I'm done. All right, everyone, welcome back. So I finished the little black beads, as you can see, all the way around the mirror. It's turning out pretty nice. And I have one more item to put on there. The final product would be these little silver sunflower, which I'm going to put right beside the little acrylic mirrors, or if you want, it's the same thing, the black bead. I choose to put it beside the acrylic mirrors, and I put one on each side. See, like this. I'm going to put one on each side, and that's going to be the final product. And then we'll see you at the end of that. All right, welcome back, everyone. So as you can see, it is all finished, and I have to tell you, there's a lot of excessive glue. So another thing, when you do these decors, you have to clean up. I usually take a wet, damp cloth, and I take it all around, and then all of a sudden the glue comes up, and then I clean it. And of course I clean my mirror, and then I put a little hook in the back, so this I can hook it up and take a picture of it, put it on my Facebook. And here you have it. So basically this is what it looks like. You can see all that. Turned out very, very cute. So basically now I have a red one and I have a jade green one. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY today, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell and comment and share and like, and I will see you on my next DIY. Thanks everyone for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.